Hi students, welcome to our I Love Maths channel. Today continuous of 6th mathematics, page number 3. Okay. How many numbers can you make? That means they given 4-digit number, some 4-digit number. From that you have to make greatest number and smallest number. How to make? That we will see now. Okay. This is the number I have written here 2874. First you have to write 4 numbers. First you have to write greatest number. Okay. First greatest number means you have to write in descending order. Descending means big to small. Which one is first big number here? 8. Yes, 8. The next 7. The next 4. 2. This is greatest number. What is this? Using 4 digits you have to write greatest number and smallest number. Okay. Greatest number means you have to write descending order. Means big to small. 8, 7, 4, 2 like. Now smallest number you have to write in ascending order. Okay. First small number 2, then 4, 7, 8. Okay. This is the way to write greatest number and smallest number from the digit. If they given 4 digit, any 4 digit means you have to make greatest number and smallest number like this. Greatest number means descending order, big to small. Smallest number means ascending order, small to big. Okay. This is use the given digit without repetition and make the greatest and smallest 4 digit number. Means that number should not be repeated. Suppose 2874. That I have written here 8742 greatest number. 8 didn't repeat 2 times and 742 any number will not repeat 2 times. Use the given digit without repetition. Make the greatest and smallest 4 digit means you have to write the greatest number and smallest number, but don't repeat the numbers. Okay, suppose 8 is there means you don't repeat 8 2 times and 7 4 like that. Okay, don't repeat the numbers again and again. Without repetition you have to make greatest number and smallest number. That only I have done that. Okay. From this question, you have to make greatest number and smallest number. Greatest number. Okay, first you have to make greatest number. This is a digit. Then smallest number. Smallest number. Now, first greatest number means you have to write in descending order. I told you, no. Which one is big number here? 9, then 4, then 0. Okay. Now, smallest number means first small number is 0, but you don't start from 0. Okay, you should not start from 0. Okay, so another small number is 4, then 0, then 9. If 0 is there, don't start from 0. Okay, because no value for that. If 0 is there means you have to start next to small number. That is 4 and 0, 9. So 409. Greatest number is 940. Smallest number is 409. Okay. Now, second question. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number by using any 1 digit twice. This is the question. What is given? You have to use any 1 digit twice. There are 3, 8, 7. 3 numbers are there. Either 3 or 8, 7. Any number you have to repeat twice. Okay. Let's see. This is the question 3, 8, 7. Okay. Now write the greatest number first and one condition you have to write twice any number. Okay. Now greatest means descending order. So you can start from big number 8. I am going to write 8 twice. So 8, 8, 7, 3. Okay. This is greatest number. Like that you have to write smallest number means ascending order. Small to big, 3 first, then 7. I told you you have to write 8 twice. So 8. Okay, this is the way to write greatest number and smallest number using any digit twice. Okay. One, make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers using any 4 different digits with condition as given. That means some condition is here. Using that, you have to prepare greatest number and smallest number. Okay, first one, digit 7 is always at ones place. Means 7 should be in ones place. Okay, like that you have to do. You can take any 4-digit number. Let's do now. Okay. Okay, this is the number 7, 6, 9, 8. What you have to do? You have to write greatest number and smallest number. For that, condition is there that 7 should be in ones place. So, in ones place, you can write 7 first. Okay, then write another greatest number. That you have to check the numbers in descending order. Okay, that is greatest number. First big number is 9, then 8, then 7. But we have already written 7 in ones place, so no need to see this. So the next number is 6. So this is the greatest number. Now in the same way you can write smallest number. The condition is 7 should be in ones place. Okay, then write ascending order, small to big. Which one is small here? 6. Yes. Next 7, but no need to write because already we have written in ones place. So next number is 8 and next one 9. So the smallest number 6897. Okay. Greatest number means you have to write the numbers in descending order, that is big to small, and smallest number you have to write in ascending order. But here one condition that 7 should be in ones place, that's why we written 7 in ones place. Okay. First one I have done. Second B, digit 4 is always in tens place, means you have to write 4 in tens place. Any 4 number you can take, any 4 digit you can take, and 4 should be in tens place. You have to write greatest number and smallest number. Like that C and D also. Okay. Thank you. Okay, now take page number 4. Stand in proper order. Okay, suppose some students are standing in proper order, means height wise. You have to find who is tallest, who is shortest. Okay, how do you find the difference? According to the height. That here Ramhari is 160 centimeter, Toli is 154 centimeter, Mohan 158 centimeter, and Sasi is 159 centimeter. Who is tallest here? Ramhari, because his height is 160 centimeter. So Ramhari. Okay, who is shortest here? Dolly, because her height is 150 centimeter. That is lowest height. So Dolly. Which to buy? Sohan and Rita went to buy an almirah. There were many almirahs available with the price tags. Okay, this one rupees 2,635, 1,897 and 2,854, 1,788 and 3,975. Question is, can you arrange their prices in increasing order? That means you have to write small to big. That is increasing order. Okay. The next question, can you arrange their price in decreasing order? That means big to small. Let's see how to write that. Now I am going to write in increasing order. That means small to big. Okay. First small number is rupees 1007. First question answer I have written here, that is increasing order. Increasing order means small to big. Okay, first small number is 1788. Okay, next is small 1897 and 2635. Next 2854 and rupees 3975. This is increasing order, that is small to big. Okay, now second question, can you arrange in decreasing order? That is decreasing order means big to small. Revise, that is 3975 and 2854, then 2635 and 1897 and rupees 1788 is the last one. This is decreasing order, big to small. Okay. Now next one, ascending order and descending order. Okay, ascending means small to big. That means you have to write the numbers small number to big number, 1 2 3 4 5 like that. Okay, then descending order. Descending means you have to write the number big to small, that is 10 to 1, 10 9 8 7, that is reverse order. Okay, that is big to small. Ascending means small to big, descending means big to small. This is the concept of ascending and descending. Now we will do the problem. Okay, now page number 5, first question, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. That is first question. I have written here 847, 9754, 8320, 571. Okay, what is ascending order? Ascending order means you have to write the numbers small to big. Okay, now check which is small number. I told you have to check the digits first. To find the smallest number, you have to check the digits first. Okay, here 3 4 4 3. So 3 is the smallest digit, but in 3 there are two numbers, so you have to check thousands place, sorry, hundreds place. So 100 place, here 5, here 8. So which one is small here? This one. So first number 571. Next is small number 847. Now there are two numbers in 4 digits, so you have to check thousands place. Thousands place, which one is small here? 8320. So you can write 8320. Then last one 9754. This is a way to write ascending order, small to big. Okay. Now B, you can do the same way. Okay, that ascending order you have to check the digit and place. You can do the same way. Now second question. In the same way you can try yourself ascending order, that is small to big. Okay, now second problem, arrange the following numbers in descending order. That means you have to write the number big to small. First problem I will do now. Okay, okay, descending order. This is the question. 5,000, 7,500 and 85,400, 7,861. Now descending order means big to small. Which one is first greatest number? That you have to check the digits. That 3 digits, sorry, 4 4 5 4. So this one is the first greatest number. So 85,400. Now other numbers, here 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit. So you have to check thousands place. Thousands place 757. So 7 is the big number. Then in 7 also there are two numbers. So you have to check hundreds place. 8 5. So this only greatest number, 10,860. Next greatest number 7500. The last number 5000. Okay. This is the way to write descending order. That is big to small. Okay.